In this week's video, we are staying at the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa here in Orlando, and this place is spectacular. Everything is so beautiful. We're staying in the Sugarloaf rooms, and we're going to show you everything. And trust me, it's so nice, it can change you.
Why, yes, Milford, I do believe we need a third butler. Alright, it's room tour time. We are here at Grand Floridian this time. This is 6310. This is a standard 2-queen resort view room. Let's go check it out. This room at the Grand Floridian has been updated to the Mary Poppins theme, and it is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna start off in the bathroom. As soon as you come in, it's on your right, and it is massive. The space in here is ridiculous. Of course, you have your dual vanity. I love this granite countertop, beautiful. It has the waterfall effect, love that. Huge mirror. I love the inlaid lighting. You guys know I'm a big fan of inlaid lighting. It really just brightens up the space. Of course, mounted on the wall, you have your vanity mirror. Beautiful sinks, all of your Disney Resort amenities, and it's separate from the shower and the bathroom area. I love that. The shower in the bathroom area is still massive. There's still plenty of room in here. The shower is incredibly large. Of course, like we said, I'm about 6.5 feet tall, so just imagine how big this shower is. I'm not really 6.5 feet tall, but all of the amenities are just upgraded just like you want them to be when you're staying at the Grand Floridian. Leaving the bathroom area, as soon as you come in on your left, you have a gigantic vanity, getting ready, drop station area with a huge mirror. I think this is a great addition. You can drop all your things. This is where you can get ready in the morning without disturbing anyone else. Awesome. Before we move into the living area, I do want to mention the coffee nook that is right here on your right hand side. Keurig, you have your coffee cup, your water cups, plenty of coffee in here, and right below that is your beverage cooler. Now, Disney has made a distinction. A beverage cooler is not a refrigerator, so just keep that in mind. But now let's move into the living area. Now, this room can sleep 5, 2 in each bed, and then this is a flip down mattress couch. It's a massive room for Disney. All of the wall sconces and the areas to set your phone and everything are just upgraded, just like that Grand Floridian feel. It's very upscale, very classy, very pinkies up, if you know what I'm saying. Each side of the bed, you have 2 plugs and 2 USBs, one of which is a USB-C. I think that's a great addition because USB-Cs are kind of moving in and USBs are kind of moving out. So Disney making that transition, good for them for keeping up with the times. Also on the right side of the room, these closets are huge. They're massive. They are floor to ceiling. This is also where you're gonna have your extra pillow and your blanket for anyone sleeping on the pull-down sofa. The room in here is unbelievable. Come unpack, throw your luggage here. Don't look at it again until the end of your vacation. It's gonna be perfect. That's not the only one though. This is also where your safe is. This is where your hair dryer is if you need any of that. Plenty of shelving. It's also got a steamer in here. Just like all the other Disney resorts, embedded into the bed, you have a reading light. Sorry. Just blinded my camera person, no big deal. But the beds are incredibly comfy. 9 out of 10 on the comfy scale. Hit my head pretty hard. On the left side of the room, you're gonna have your, what's this called? You're gonna have your armoire on the left side of the room. It's got plenty of storage, anything that you need. Nice big screen TV that you're gonna play Disney movie on for all of 5 minutes while you fall asleep, but it's worth it. The couch, the couch is very comfy. I mean, it's a couch. What do you want me to say? However, the flip down portion for the bed, super simple, super easy. It's already set up for you. If you need more pillows or blankets, grab them out from the closet. The pictures are very Mary Poppins theme. And if you look really closely, you'll see little hints of Mary Poppins all throughout the room. Like this little gizmo right here. They're all birds except for one penguin. Love that. Obviously, you see Mary Poppins taking off in the distance. Taking flight. I almost fell over right there. This little table is going to be great for a lot of things. Right now, it's a really awesome tripping hazard, so we're going to move that. Of course, on the other side of the bed, same situation. 2 plugs, 2 USBs with your phone ledge, and then plenty of storage in the middle. You're going to share that space with the other person. Now let's move out to the view. Absolutely massive sliding door. The opening in here is great. The patio is huge. Of course, you have your 2 chairs and your little stool table. The view in this room is spectacular. You're overlooking a pool, overlooking the main lobby of the Grand Floridian and all the grounds. It's just a beautiful resort. Why, yes, Milford, I do believe we need a 3rd butler. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, but if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate all of our subscribers. We have a really small channel here, and we would really love it if you subscribed. Our current subscriber count is right here. So if you want to help boost those numbers, that would be greatly appreciated. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the Wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.